Ito siya. Okay naman. I think. So, welcome to PhiAm Station. Hello guys, good day. So as I was walking home, I made a surprising discovery that the viral ramp in EDSA was actually in my neighborhood. So there was a new bus carousel, the PhiAm Station, and I've been walking along this path, this ramp during my my exercise and walking exercises. And so they renovated it. They add some path walks like this one. So this is the ramp for the PW individuals with disability. And I've noticed it's, yes, it is actually steep than I guess the persons with disability can tolerate. It will be hard for them to use this. So as you can see here, it's a little bit steep. I think it's a good project, but yun lang. I think medyo poor yung planning dito. I think they haven't really considered. Parang hindi talaga nila naisip yung how PWD individuals will use this on a daily basis. So I hope the government can, truly really care and do their planning well with regards to this project. The elevators are operational, but I think one of the elevator on the other side is not yet usable. But yes, I think it's a good project, but I hope they plan it better.